If you need to cancel your Expedia subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Expedia website and log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you are using the account associated with the subscription you wish to cancel. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the home page. Step 3. Find subscription details. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Subscriptions or Memberships. Click on this section to view your current subscriptions and their details. Step 4. Initiate cancellation. Locate the subscription you want to cancel and select the option to cancel it. You may be prompted to confirm your decision, so follow the on-screen instructions to complete the cancellation process. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After cancelling, check your email for a confirmation message from Expedia. This will serve as proof that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Keep this email for your records. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Expedia subscription. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Expedia customer support for assistance.